not sure if you know, if there is something that designer loves to do the most, is to mess around with other logo design. Of course I love it too. I love to put these different graphic effects on them and see the different looking views. And look how cute is this bubble like Twitter logo. And of course YouTube logos. Today let's learn and try something interesting on this Illustrator 3D tool. First you need Illustrator 2022 or 2023. Simply go to Effect and 3D and Inflate. Click the Inflate and then go Render. Here we go. And of course you can change everything like angles or colors or shapes after render. Then let's try a little bit crazy. This is one of my favorite modern artists, Mondriaan. Let's try this effect on one of his famous printing. I have to say, this looks so interesting. I really should print a big one. Okay, give me 1 minute. It's my wife's Christmas present. Next, let's go a little bit further. The Son of Man by Rene Magritte. And with this one, I should take my time. I need to illustrate everything, then okay, it looks so bizarre. It's like this apple is smashing on this guy's face. I hope you like this style and this Illustrator 3D effect. And look, my Christmas card is also designed in this style. As always, I put all the design files in the description for you to download. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. And here is a poster for fun, and you know what to do.